Hello, so this question is gameplay analysis for write a solution to report a fraction player that log in a game on the day after the date they first log in, and then run to two decimal place. So let's do this. So the player ID can have what they can log in at the same device at different date. Anyway, so what you need to do is you want to find out the player that first login first, right? So player ID 1, the first login is 2016 March 1st, and then 2 is going to be this one, 3 is going to be this one. So once you find out the first login data, then you compare with this, and then you want to comparison with the event date, and then calculate the difference, and then do the fractions. So they just do one at a time. So with first login, and I'm going to say select the player ID and also the mean event date from the activity table, and then I can group by the player ID, right? So once I have this, basically that is defined as first login for the player, right? So as event date. So I'm just rename this. Alright, so here we go. So next I need to find out the fraction, right? So select, so round to two decimal place. So as fraction from the activity A. So what I need to do is I want to use this table, right join with the first login, and then where do we want to join? We want to join based on player, right? So a dot player ID equal to f first login dot player ID, and also the difference between the date is one date, right? One date difference. So and the date diff between the a dot event date and also the first login dot a date event date is equal to 1, right? So now we can do this. How do we calculate the fraction? So it's going to be the activity a dot event date divided by the first login player ID, right? So a dot event date, and it has to be the count, right? Maybe I can do this. Divide the count for how many player, right? It has to be how many player, right? So it's going to be FL dot player ID. 1 second. So start as date. I think there is a problem here. Give me 1 second. As okay. Still have problem. Oh, date. Cool. So let's a solution. So it's a little bit challenge, and then think about it, and then see you later. Bye.